Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling how to use Simplifi by Quicken, a user-friendly app designed to simplify your budgeting and money management. If you're tired of spreadsheets and manual tracking, this tool is a game changer. Let's dive right in. First off, getting started is a breeze. Head to the Quicken website or your app store, download Simplifi, and create an account. You'll need to enter your email, set a strong password, and verify via the confirmation email they send. It's quick and secure, so you can jump in without hassle. Once you're logged in, the next step is connecting your bank accounts. Simplifi supports most major banks. Just search for yours, enter your credentials, and let the app do the work. It securely imports your transactions automatically, saving you tons of time. Now, let's organize your finances. The app categorizes transactions for you, like labeling groceries or entertainment, but you can tweak them as needed. This helps you spot spending patterns and cut back where it counts. Budgeting is where Simplifi really shines. Go to the Budget tab, set monthly limits for categories such as dining or utilities, and receive alerts if you're nearing your caps. It's like having a personal financial coach in your pocket. Don't forget to explore the reporting features. Generate summaries of your income, expenses, and net worth to get a clear picture of your financial health. You can even set goals, like saving for a vacation, and track your progress over time. In wrapping up, using Simplifi by Quicken can transform how you handle money, making it easier, smarter, and less stressful. Remember to review your accounts weekly for the best results. If you try it out, let us know in the comments how it's working for you. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical tips. See you in the next one.